right, let's go start and bake a cake. I started this tradition of baking my own birthday cake, and ever since I did a workshop in like baking and decorating your cake, I'm really obsessed with making very pretty, whimsical cakes for birthdays, celebrations, and what's so on. So, on today's menu is a 3 or 4 layered carrot cake, and I have this vision in my mind of how I want to decorate it. I think I want to make it butter yellow and add like very like whimsical pink details to it. I got some edible flowers as well, and I think it's just gonna be a very, very like whimsical, fairy-like cake. At least that's the vision I have in my head right now. I hope it's gonna work out. So let's get baking. Hello, happy Sunday. I just finished baking my cake. I didn't finish it yesterday because it was quite late and the cream cheese frosting needed to settle. So what I always do when I bake a cake is that I do like a coating of cream cheese frosting first and also in between the layers, because that's just, I love me a good cream cheese frosting. And then I made a Swiss buttercream like frosting. and that's what goes around, and that's usually the one that you use for like the piping technique, what you use for like making the decorations or like the shapes. And I didn't feel like waiting yesterday evening. It was already 8 p.m. So I decided to finish it this morning. And I really, really like the end result. I will show you later on. It's settling now, or like chilling in the fridge. And I'm about to get ready. I washed my hair this morning. And I'm gonna head out and grab some coffee beans because we ran out. And then later on, my family is coming over for coffee and cake to celebrate my pre-birthday. So today's Sunday. My actual birthday is on Tuesday, but we thought it was just easier to get together on a Sunday. And what's a better way to spend the cozy Sunday than by eating cake, drinking coffee, and spending it with family. So I'm very excited for that. Family just left and we had a really, really good time. The cake was amazing. The carrot cake was just incredibly fluffy and I just loved everything about it. So very successful. It was just really lovely. My sister, my mom, my sister's husband, and my little niece, they came over, and my niece just started walking. She's almost 2 and it's so cute. So yeah, we just had a very good time, very nice quality time. I just got another piece of cake, like a very small one, because I'm gonna indulge in this and catch up either on some Netflix or watch some YouTube videos. I'm not sure yet, but I thought I'd come on here and just show you what I got for my family, because I got some really, really nice presents. And then we're gonna chill for the rest of the Sunday. I don't have anything exciting planned, and tomorrow, Monday, it's basically just a regular day. So I'm gonna pick this vlog up again on Tuesday, which is my actual birthday, and we have a lot of exciting things planned for then. But for now, let's show you what I got. So I asked for these gifts. I just sent over a bunch of things I liked to my family, and they got me some really lovely things from that list. So the first thing I got is this art print. And yeah, I thought that was just a very, very beautiful print. Again, I love the color scheme of this, and I think it would blend really well into our interior. And then I got another art print and also got a frame for it. So the idea is to have this this print framed in this like oak wood frame. And I think that's also just super lovely, especially going into spring and summer. And then the last one, a bit more of like a moody one. I'm not sure yet where I would want this, but I really like this combination as well, with like the darker wood and the darker print. So there we have that. Maybe in the kitchen or like the dining room could be kind of fun. But yeah, really love that one as well. And then I also got a blanket that I've been eyeing for a long time now on La de Route, and I finally got it. I think I'm gonna either place it in one of the bedrooms or keep it downstairs because we're getting a new sofa, and I think it would really complement the color of the sofa well. But it's this blanket. I'll insert a photo as well of what's it supposed to look like because you can't really tell in the packaging, but I'm very excited about it. Like I said, I had that on my wish list for a long time, so very, very grateful for these gifts and that I got like spoiled again for my birthday. And yeah, that's it. That's what I wanted to catch you up on. I'm now gonna enjoy that piece of cake because it's looking at me, it's calling my name. And yeah, enjoy the rest of my slow Sunday. See you on Tuesday. happy Tuesday. Today is actually my birthday, so if you haven't noticed by the decoration around me, I woke up and my boyfriend surprised me by decorating the house, which was the cutest thing ever. And then I just had a very slow start to my morning. I made some pancakes for breakfast, some tea. I got some gifts from my boyfriend and watched some YouTube. Just had a very beautiful start to the day, and also called with my family to congratulate me, which was just super, super nice. Feeling very grateful for that. And now I just got ready and we're about to head out and go to one of my favorite coffee bars in the area. They do amazing coffee and lunch, and also they have really good cinnamon buns. And then probably we're gonna walk around a bit in the city, see if we have time for that. And also both me and my boyfriend are reading the ACOTAR series. He just started in the first book and I'm in the third book right now. So the idea is to just sit at the coffee bar, read, have some delicious coffee, have some lunch, and yeah, it sounds like the perfect day to me. So let's go grab some coffee.